back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be responding to those social media messages and comments for Weight Watchers. We are going to get all into it. The links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Real quickly, I just want to ask, I asked in my longer video that I did today, so I'm just kind of polling everyone today. It has come to my attention that sometimes I share these shorter videos like this and longer videos all in the same day. Sometimes that gives me 3 to 4 videos that I am posting a day with different job leads in it. That might be a little bit too much, so let me know down below in the comments if you get overwhelmed with all of the job leads and videos that I'm posting. Should I scale it back a little bit, or am I posting just enough? Or if I just come across the job leads, post them when I come across them. Let me know what your preferences are. But without further ado, Weight Watchers has 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor. Their employee satisfaction rating sits about 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a senior member support specialist for their social media pages. This is remote for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to directly engage with current and potential members to provide guidance, support, and motivation through those social media channels and that internal community message boards. So you're basically going to serve as the company ambassador, taking ownership of any member issues and questions. So you'll answer these messages and comments, answer any questions that they have, escalating up any issues to the appropriate team that needs to be escalated up. You're going to establish rapport with these members by creating a personalized experience, actively listening to their personal wellness and weight and health goals, providing tailored recommendations and encouragement to them. So you're going to have patience and empathy with strong listening skills and be able to handle those high stress interactions and situations and de-escalate any issues. You might help with things like just the Weight Watchers program in general, in-app experiences, and let them know any studio offerings. You'll also do some tech support, helping them troubleshoot and problem solve any technical issues that they come across. Now, Weight Watchers has multiple different social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. So you'll need to work on all of the different platforms. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just 5 years of experience in a high volume customer service position. And they would like 1 year of experience with social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Someone who has great communication skills and possesses a growth mentality. So you're eager to adapt and be flexible to an ever-changing environment. Of course, you got to be organized and have great time management skills. High school diploma or GED is required, but no college degree. And of course, they did not list the actual pay in the job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did try to do a little bit of estimation for you, and it looks like people have previously worked as the senior member support specialist for Weight Watchers. They report their base salary anywhere from $38,000 a year all the way up to $54,000 a year. So this range is going to be $18 to $25 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, let me know down below how many videos in a day is too much in your opinion. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.